Hello guys, welcome back to the Apple Connect. This video we're going to talk about how to fix verification code is not receiving or it's not getting on your iPhone and how we can fix this out. So this issue can happen for many reasons. If you're trying to get an OTP for your WhatsApp, or if you're trying to log in back to Instagram, we might be needed an OTP. So whenever you need an OTP, it's not working or the verification code is not working. If that is the case, you're going to have a lot of trouble, and we're going to talk about how we can fix this out. The first and foremost step when you're having an issue with the verification code is all about you have to enable the airplane mode, and you have to wait for hardly, I have to say 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off. So to do this, just go over here, go to the airplane mode. Now we just need to wait hardly, like I said, wait for 5 or 10 seconds. Once afterwards, you have to turn this off and you have to check whether you are able to receive any kind of OTP or verification code. Still, if you are having the trouble, the next one is all about, you need to move to the next one. That is all about, we have to do a reset on the network settings. So tap over here in the settings. Now from here, just keep scrolling down and tap onto the general. Now from here, we have to scroll down and there is an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Now go over here on reset. Now we have many options. The first one, what we need to tap on is reset network settings. Once after the reset networks is done, and still if you're not, the issue is not solved and you're having the trouble, then you can try this particular step. That is all about, we have to try reset all settings. To do the same, we have to follow the same instruction. Tap over here, keep scrolling down, tap onto the general. Now keep scrolling down a little bit and go over here in the transfer reset iPhone. Tap on the reset once again. There is an option called reset all settings. So you have to keep in mind when you do this, you'll be not losing any kind of data, but you'll be losing what you have to say. You'll be losing the home layouts. It'll be it will be vanished from there. And also you have to connect back. For example, what if I have to say, you might be connected to some networks already, for example Wi-Fi, and all those things has to be you have to try it once again, because you'll be losing all the passwords and all. You have to try it once again. So this is what you have to do, and these possible workarounds can be done. Most probably any one of the steps will be working out, and I hope this quick video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Bye.